So before we go any further, I would like to show you how to cut chicken, as I already showed you in previous slide, which is the basic understanding of poultry and birds. So what I have here today is a whole chicken. So I'm going to cut and show you how to cut a whole chicken before we proceed with this recipe. So what I have now in front of me is a beautiful whole chicken, which is fresh, and I'm going to cut it in a small pieces. So I'm going to show you now how to do it. The first thing, when you want to cut the chicken, make sure that the chicken itself is a fresh chicken, which you can always refer to the slide as I mentioned before on how to see the freshness of the chicken. Alright, cut off the chicken wings at the second joint, and you can always save this for stock. It's going to turn the stock beautifully flavorful stocks from the leftover. And you cut between the legs, make a subdivision, and then you turn the chicken and make a subdivision at the backbone and pull it. Now you have two sides of chicken. Cut through the chicken into two, so then you will have two chicken leg. Holding the chicken steady with the knife and cut through the backbone. And pull the backbone, then you will have breast chicken with the wing. Then cut through the breast into two sections. It's optional for you to cut it into 5 sections or 3 sections according to your preference. Now with 1 section of breast chicken, you can get 4 or 5 sections of chicken cut. Repeat the same thing, the other side of the chicken. Cut at the joints. Now you have to cut the chicken. Masak lemak cili api ayam.